In this video, I'll walk you through how to fix we can't activate Windows on this device as we can't connect to your organization's activation server. Make sure you are connected to your organization's network and try again. So I'll walk you through how to fix it. Go to your search bar and search for CMD. Run as administrator. Yes. Now you want to go to this video's description to copy this text. So right now you copy the first one, copy, and right click, edit, paste. Now enter. So it's successful. Key management service machine name set to that, successful. Now you want to go back to your search bar and search for CMD again. Run as administrator. Yes. Now this time around, go to the description and copy the second text. Copy, right click, edit, and paste. Enter. Now you have to give it some time until it shows you a message. Okay, so activating Windows, blah blah blah. Product activated successfully. So okay, and close everything. Now let's check if the error is solved. Activation, and your error is solved. Thanks for watching. Kindly like and subscribe for more contents like this. See you in the next one.